Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we disable adaptive brightness mode in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to disable guys your Infinix phone adaptive brightness, so how can you disable it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like the video guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab settings. Where how can you disable guys our phone adaptive brightness mode? Friends, you will have to click on guys your phone display and brightness tab here guys. Then guys, you can see guys your second option and adaptive brightness guys, tap here guys, you can disable from the right side icon. After disable guys, you can use guys your brightness setting without any problem guys. You can increase and decrease your brightness according to yourself. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable adaptive brightness mode in our Infinix phone device. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.